and first we're going to start with chopping our onion. We're going to take it to the side, chop the top and the bottom off, set those to the side. You want to take your knife and make a small incision on the side like so, and just peel off that outer layer. It's okay if you get just a little bit more than that. Go ahead and throw that away. All right. And do a chopped onion. It's not very hard. Just make a few small slices to make some rings. And since we only need about a tablespoon, we're just going to set the rest of the onion aside to use later. All right. Go ahead and make small cuts and a plus sign. Continue on, and then take your knife and slowly work your way right to left on your onion, and then left to right, and then back right to left. Make sure that you get every piece in small little chunks. All right, and we need about a tablespoon, so that's way too much. Now, as you continue on cooking and learning how to cook, you'll be able to eyeball some of your measurements. For now, you want to go ahead and use an actual tablespoon. An actual tablespoon should come out to be about this right here.